Yes, good morning everyone. And today, the long awaited, the money management, which is a very important part. So, to develop the prosperity consciousness, you require three things: the SMS. The prosperity consciousness is in the brain. So, when you have to send some signals to become a conscious and expand, that is called prosperity and abundance consciousness. For that, you require three things: SMS. The communication is through SMS nowadays, not through mobile. So, SMS. S stands for strategy, like how you will earn the income. M stands for the money management, which comes 30%. And the 55% is S, that is the state of mind. Sorry, S is the state of mind. Two S are there. First S is the state of mind, which constitutes the 55%. M stands for the money management, which constitutes for 35%. Sorry, yeah, 30%, and 15% is the strategy. So how you make money is not important, as you must have heard, na, making 1 lakh rupees a month or 5 lakhs rupees a month, who is rich, you cannot say. Maybe the person who is lakh rupees a month, he will be more rich because he's managing more money, his emotional quotient is more. So it does not make how much money you earn per month, how you manage that money is important. So 15% is only the money making strategy, 30% is your money management, and mostly how to manage that money is your state of mind, where you can take a better choices. So this we have covered in that 5 days. I'm just flowing through this chart just for a repetition, so you know that. Now how you will do now, with the awareness and self discovery of, take your audit only, like how much you earn, how much are your minimum expenses, how much is enough, how much is not enough, and you will learn from the money management how you will manage that money. So mission and vision statement, you will have your mission and vision, how much you want to earn in next 1, 3, 5, 10 years at the age of 70, 80. So we'll set big goals, you will have those images, will create your vision board. Then you will make a clear strategy, you will start taking action and review monthly, daily, and all that. Everybody knows, and I'm just repeating for you this, no, you will set goals in all 12 areas, and these are the habits we'll go through now. This is the slide which already we have covered. So if you have extra disposable, you can see the 2 lakhs of अनटच पड़ा है, उसको हाथ ही नहीं लगाना है. 1 लाख और 2 लाख का एफडी पड़ा है. सपोज you are comfortably rich, but you have 1 crore to 3 crore a liquid cash which is untouched, you don't need it right now, then you are called rich. This is a RBI regulations. Over 10 crore is a super rich, वो cash पड़ा है इतना. Now we'll see if you have assets 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर हाउस, जिसमें आप रह रहे हैं, उसके अलावा अगर आपके पास में 10 lakhs 20 lakhs के एसेट्स है जिसकी वैल्यू जो है, तो यू आर कंफर्टेबली पुअर. लेकिन अगर आपके पास में 10 करोड़ to 50 CR के एसेट पड़े हैं, जिसमें आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आ गए, गोल्ड आ गया, तो यू आर रिच. एंड ओवर 500 करोड़ रुपीज इज सुपर रिच. नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि कौन से इसमें जाना है आपको. सो नेचुरली ऑल ऑफ यू, आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू थिंक एटलीस्ट यू विल क्रिएट इन नेक्स्ट 20-30 ईयर्स में 10 करोड़ के ऊपर के एसेट्स बनाओगे. कैसे? बिकॉज उसका नाउ यू थिंक 10 करोड़ का कैसे होगा, तो नॉट पॉसिबल, बट उसका एप्रिसिएशन होगा ना, एप्रिसिएशन होगा आफ्टर 3 years 5 years एंड ऑल दैट. सो डोंट थिंक, वी थिंक ओनली द करंट स्टेटस. तो यू कैन थिंक कि यू वांट टू बी रिच, देन हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट एसेट ऑफ 10 crore प्लस. एंड कैश तो जो है, naturally definitely you have to have a disposable cash of anywhere between 1 crore to 3 crores. वो ऐसे ही पड़ा जिसको हाथ नहीं लगाना है. So like that gives a security. Now this is the money management. I am going to tell you 2 money management system. So this is a one money management system where they say 5 to 10% you can give it to the charity, because charity से ही आपके पास पैसा आ जाएगा. In the beginning, if your income is not allowing you to that much charity, but start giving 0.5% or 1%. So 1 लाख का ही अगर इनकम है, तो उसमें से ही आपको अगर 10,000 5,000 देना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. तो इन दैट केस यू जस्ट थिंक कि मैं 500 या 1000 का डेफिनेटली चैरिटी करूँगा. इट इज़ अप टू यू. दिस इज अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मैट. सो यू नो दैट कि सारे इसमें इफ़ यू आर एलोकेटिंग then you are able to manage. You can just, as per your comfort, you can do it little bit, but ultimate goal is you have to arrive at this situation. So 5 to 10% is charity. Start doing 0.5% or 1% to begin with. Now you will have your own exercise. Just see that कि इसमें आप कितना कर सकते हैं. If you are getting 2 lakhs rupees a month, okay, उसमें से charity आता है 20,000. So I cannot do 20,000 right now, suppose. Then you write, okay, I will do 1,000 or 2,000. So you write there charity amount. Then second is 20% the saving. This is a must. So don't think you are getting a 2 lakhs rupees a month. You just think that 2 lakhs minus 20%, that is 40,000. 1 lakh 60,000 is only my income. So usually people save after they do the investments. Expenses जाने के बाद में बचा कुचा है तो savings कर लेंगे. Otherwise whatever you have to save because of the tax को ये करने के लिए, save the tax you do ना, insurance कर दिया, ये कर दिया, थोड़ा कुछ दिखा दिया. Basically just to save tax people do either the mediclaim or the insurance, और थोड़ा कुछ bonds वगैरह ले लिया, कुछ other things PPF वगैरह कर लिया. But this is a must that 20% is a saving. Then 10% is the emergency fund. 10% is, which I told, is emergency fund, which you can keep it yourself in the form of gold and don't touch it. In the form of gold आप रख सकते हैं. 30% is your debts and lifestyle expenses. So out of 1 lakh, 30,000 is EMI जाना चाहिए आपका. लेकिन मुश्किल है ना, 30,000 EMI गया तो lifestyle कैसे ये करेंगे. So this is a standard, but you just think that कि yes, the charity is goal. The second thing is saving is very important goal, and rest you can manage right now. कि चलो बाकी जो बचा 80% में मैं कैसे allocate करूँ. But this is the standard कि 10% फैमिली के लिए कुछ गिफ्ट्स देना, फैमिली की डिमांड्स होती है, फैमिली के सडनली एक्सपेंसेस आ जाते हैं. सो यू कैन थिंक कि अगर इसमें से 10,000 तो ऐसे ही जाना है मेरा. 10,000 इज यूर ट्रैवल एंड फन and family functions or celebrations or whatever, and 10% is your personal earning. Now it is very difficult to spend 10% on your personal earning. That is doing various trainings, maybe investing in books, investing in learning something, taking some subscriptions and all that. If you cannot allot 10%, it's okay. Start with 1%, start with 2%, but that agenda should be there on your money management, so there will be overall growth. And in that 30% only the debt should be there. 30,000 का ही EMI जाना चाहिए if your income is 1 lakh rupees per month. If you are having a more EMI, definitely in certain time you are going to end up with problem, because आपका income वैसे नहीं inflate हो जाएगा if you are only dependent on one source of income. You are comfortable in the EMI right now कि out of 1 lakh 70,000 जा रहा है. But after 2-3 years, your expenses are going to increase, inflation is going to increase, and you are not going to increase your income drastically. Then that comfortably paying EMI becomes a pinch after 3 years. 3 years you will be comfortable. After 3 years, at the end of the tenure of personal loan, 4th, 5th year, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है if you are not working on this thing. So this is a one management system. Now I am coming to the this T. Harv Eker financial jar system. Financial jar system. So it is your financial habits. We told कि when everybody is listening, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
बहुत
Yes,
ज़्यादा
yes.
carefully
All
सुन रहे
attention.
हैं.
Yes. So this is a jar system. Now how you will know if you are already feeling okay, my expenses are going, this is going to charity, okay, this is going to this, then what is there in to have that subconscious कि yes, I have so much money and I'm managing money. So this is a financial jars which we have learned from T. Harv Eker. He's a spiritual billionaire. There are so many billionaires. Spiritual billionaire means the person who has got lot of money where he doesn't have to work for money. Money works for him to pay for his desired lifestyle, and plus happy, relaxed, with good family relationship, even the balance, compassionate. Otherwise, unlike other rich and successful people, they don't have a proper family life, or they are not humble, they are egoistic. So the spiritual billionaire, spiritual millionaire is means you are always happy, you are always helping others, you are compassionate, you are relaxed, stress free, with peace of mind, and still having a good work ethics. So that we come later on. So this is a chart. Now I'll tell you what I have done. I was not doing it. I started doing 3 years back when I have done his program that is called, his book is there, which I have already given, The Secrets of Millionaire Mind, Steve Harker. And he conducts a program that is called Millionaire Mind Intensive. But there he just focuses on only thoughts. So which I have picked up from there, and this money management. Otherwise, they don't cover money blocks and all that. So this is the 5 jars. So what you do is you do 5 jars the way you pick up anything, any transparent plastic or glass jars. That's why I have done now. And then you can make stickers also. And I'll tell you what to do. The first one is 50% is the necessities. 1 lakh is income, 50% you will spend on necessities. So this is my jar. What you have to do is you are not going to deposit, but just to have that habit, when money comes, just put one note there. एक या पगार जब आता है आपका, जो मंथली हो जाएगा आपका, डेली मत करो, मंथली on day of 1st or 2nd, 5th or 7th, whatever, you just put one currency note there. Okay, this is my necessity account. You are not going to deposit everything cash here, no? Just for a memory, this is there. I'll tell you how you can manage this by creating a different accounts from one main account. I have my Kotak account. In that only I have different account where one thing goes to the savings, one goes to different. So I have created a different accounts. Kotak is the bank which they allow from the main account to the sub accounts. So you know that the money will not get spent from the main account. So from
it is also possible with other banks as well, ma'am.
Yeah, I think Yes Bank also does. You have to request manager कि how I can create a sub accounts.
या मतलब अगर किसी ने 1 लाख रुपए डाल दिए तो उसमें से वो जो इंस्ट्रक्शन होंगे उस हिसाब से वो अकाउंट में जाएगा.
Yeah, means you have to create that account and give the name of the account. Even I have got account name. This is FF account. This is LT account. आप अंदर से रीनेम कर सकते, कोटक में फैसिलिटी है. सो व्हेन द मनी कम्स आई जस्ट कीप 50% एंड अलग अलग इसमें मैं ट्रांसफर कर देती हूँ.
It should be the current account or saving account?
नहीं, savings account only.
Saving, okay.
Savings account only, no problem. Okay. So 50% is the necessities, 10% is the financial freedom. Wait for the next slide, so you will have a broader idea कि कैसे होगा. 10% is your financial freedom account, from where you will create your passive income and that money will start working from you. 10% is a long-term savings account. You will get these slides, no, don't worry. What is long-term savings account? I'll tell you. So I have made the jars. So every month I put currency notes there, and even I put coins. ये coins भी every day I made this thing कि coins डालना है. So what happens when you see lot of money, na, that gives you a lot of relief. So Dr. Juliet, you will come across this. You have this in front of you every day and put that coin. So we have that, na, कि money is there with me. That feeling of security, feeling of power is there. So you just put one coin there. Then 10% is the education. Which education? That is your education. Your education. Because when you will learn many things, that covers books and all. 10% is a play account, that is spending on yourself. And the other account is charity account, that is 5%. Now, I'll just show you the next slide now. This is the thing. First is what is financial freedom account. So this is the account where your money will grow like a golden tree, golden eggs के जैसे. Because this will give you the passive income from 10%. 10,000 भी every month में अलग करके रखा, and that after 6 months that 60,000 you will invest in something and that will grow, that you will never touch. उसको टच नहीं करना है. In the beginning it is very difficult to just imagine कि मैं इतना पैसा कैसा निकाल के रखूँ, बाप रे expenses ज़्यादा है. But ultimately you start with something. If you cannot start with 10%, start with 1%, start with 2%, start with 3%, but it is your financial habit. The play account is people who feel very, while spending they feel very guilty, अरे spend ज़्यादा हो गया. For them this is a 10% account. अगर 1 लाख है उसमें से 10,000 रख दो and ये 10,000 आप spend कर दो, आपको जो भी लेना है उससे, then that will happen is that will minimize your expenses. Unnecessarily आप क्रेडिट कार्ड के ऊपर 20-30 हज़ार का खर्चा अननेसरी नहीं करेंगे. सो दिस इज योर प्ले अकाउंट वेयर यू विल स्पेंड ऑन यू और योर फैमिली, जो भी लेना है आपको. समटाइम ना यू वांट टू बाय सम थिंग्स. what is long term savings account is, this is for your new car, जो भी materialistic things आपको लेनी है, जैसे बड़ा टीवी लेना है, चेंज ऑफ मोबाइल, और हॉलीडे ट्रिप के लिए जाना है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो व्हाट यू टू डू इज 10% अलग ही निकाल के रखो, एंड जब वो हो जाता है देन यू स्पेंड. सो दैट विल this habit will help you unnecessarily buying the very heavy gadgets on credit card. When you know कि I have spared 10% and after 3 months I will be able to buy, so you will postpone the things. So this is long term savings account. So 1 लाख में से 10,000 रखे आपने, so after 3 or 6 months it will be 60,000. then you decide to take something out of that 60,000. Then 10% is the education account. If you think education is expensive, but it is not like that. You are not growing, you are dying if you are not spending on yourself. So how you can do is 1 लाख में से 10,000 के ऊपर, but not 10,000 right now. अगर आप नहीं सोच सकते, start with 1,000 or 2,000, buying some books, buying what you are doing about your business, job, profession, or buy some self help books, motivational books, some subscriptions. बहुत सारे यूट्यूब पे भी सब्सक्रिप्शंस हैं to learn many things, investing in trainings like this, attending some motivational seminars and training where you will know कि what's happening. So 10% होता है. These are the final percentage. So if you, that block comes, I cannot do right now 10%, इतना नहीं invest कर सकते, don't worry, but start something, start with something. The 5% is the give, he told 5%, because he knows कि 10% नहीं होता है, so he has advised 5%. Again start with the fourth, where you can give to temples, church, religion जो है. Usually I don't give to temples because temples से misuse हो जाता है, हिंदू temples में मुझे पता है. So usually what I give is, I give in the form of food. जो ऐसे बैठे फूड देती हूँ मैं, कभी पैसे नहीं देती हूँ बेगर्स को. अदरवाइज आई जस्ट गिव समबडीज एजुकेशन. सबको कोई क्रिटिकली इल है वहाँ पे, कैंसर वाले हैं या सीनियर सिटीजन होम है, वहाँ पे जाके कुछ देना. नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मनी, जस्ट स्पॉन्सर देयर एजुकेशन और गिव सम हेल्प, लाइक दैट अरेंज कर सकते हैं. एंड 55% इज अ नेसेसिटी. सो जहाँ पे आपका फ़ोन बिल आ गया, आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट आ गया, पेट्रोल आ गया कार का, फूड, ये सब उसमें आ जाता है. मेडिकल बिल्स एंड ऑल दैट उसमें आ जाता है. दिस इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम द टैक्स. टैक्स को पहले निकाल देना है. सो दिस इज अ यूजुअल मेथड ऑफ डूइंग इट. दिस इज अ जार एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेटिट्यूड जार. एवरी डे आई पुट कि एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो ग्रेटिट्यूड जार में. that are the new habits I have developed since 2 years. So this is thing. So I will tell you कि it is very personalized for everyone. You start thinking, you just write down what is exactly how much income I get. जॉब के लिए तो very easy है because they have fixed salary. जो ऑलरेडी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड है, डॉक्टर्स, तो उनका तो वेरिएशन होता है. बट जस्ट हैव वेरी एवरेज फिगर, एवरेज लो फिगर कि इतना तो आता ही है. इवन इफ इट इज अनसर्टन, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन कि ओके इतना तो मिनिमम आता है, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी जस्ट सी दैट कि इसमें कैसे जाएगा. सो यू नो कि दैट इज कॉल्ड बजटिंग योर मनी. And main thing is, if you cannot start all 5, you just start these 5 jars and at least start putting 10 rupees or 50 rupees or 100 rupees in one account, one this thing. तो मैं how I started when I used to get money every day, यहाँ से आया तो आई यूज टू सी कि ये एक्स्ट्रा है, चलो इसमें डाल देते. सो इट बिकेम अ हैबिट कि सब जार्स में डाल देने का. एंड देन आई कुड सी दैट कि एवरी मंथ में मैंने कितना ऑलमोस्ट सेव कर दिया. सेविंग्स में भी गया, थोड़ा चैरिटी में भी गया, थोड़ा प्ले अकाउंट में भी गया, इसमें भी गया. सो लाइक दैट यू विल बी एबल टू मैनेज. सो दिस इज द अल्टीमेट मेन थिंग इज देयर टू स्टार्ट विथ 1% चैरिटी. It depends on you from 1 to 5 or 10, whatever. 10 to we cannot do immediately. Right now I started with 1, then came to 5. Now I am doing 8. Ultimate goal is 10, and at the end बहुत ज़्यादा करना है. But start with some charity and mainly about the savings. So you start with minimum 20% of the savings. Now we'll see that कि कैसे करना है वो, कैसे होता है. सो यू नो ना कि यू नो दैट कि अगर 1 लाख में से 20% गया तो 80% है, तो 80,000 रह गया। तो 80,000 में कैसे करना है कि मुझे 50,000 ही मेरे फैमिली के लिए स्पेंड करना है, बाकी 30,000 मुझे देखना है कि थोड़ा मुझे कुछ आई हैव टू बाय समथिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन द ट्रेनिंग्स एंड देन थोड़ा सेव करके रखो। दिस इज अ वेरी गुड हैबिट, मीन्स दैट 20% सेविंग्स is divided again into two. One is a financial freedom account you will never touch, that you will keep on investing, and 10% is you will save it for some time and utilize to buy the major things you want to buy, the possessions. And you will see that if you follow for 6 months you will see a difference. You have to just follow this, you will see in 6 months that having that extra 10% into 6 months accumulated, and then you want to buy, then that gives a great relief rather than buying on a credit card. So just see how you want to manage, but to start with, you start with a little charity and must savings, minimum 20%. थोड़ा पिंच करना पड़ेगा, कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ेगा लाइफ का, but it's okay. Now I'll come to the multiple source of income. Usually people, the millionaires say minimum multiple times means 7 times. एक दो बार नहीं, 7 times. And as you know, the financial growth starts with no work. Then comes the hard work where you are trading your time and you are having a fixed income from your job, business and profession. From that money only you save money, and you will see that कि वो पैसे से और पैसा कैसे बने, how you can get more money from different, which I will explain. And then that from that financial freedom account जो आपने 20% निकाल के रखा है, उसमें से ही how you can invest, and from investment how you will get money. As in the beginning, definitely people buy homes because they have got credit facility. जैसे एक घर है, but he see that कि at least आपका जो घर है पहले वो लोन फ्री होना चाहिए, and then second home है, you have taken on loans but that is paying on rent, and overall उसका appreciation बाद में ज़्यादा होगा. So again buying is different, but I'll just tell you now, I'll just hide the video so that you can see. So this is the one how you can create the multiple sources of income. The first one is your core job, your business or profession where you are doing hard work because you are trading your time. आप time डाल रहे हैं ना, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours. You are trading your time because you have to generate money, and that is totally on your dependent. Means your skills, your physical and mental ability to perform. आप जितना अच्छा perform करोगे, जितना टाइम में करोगे, तो जॉब में थोड़ा लिमिटेड है, बट डेफिनेटली दैट इज योर कोर इनकम. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट. फ्रॉम द मनी यू अर्न फ्रॉम योर कोर इनकम, then comes the investment. So what are the different investment income which you have to take, learn the skills. First is a mutual fund where you can do a systemic investment planning. For this you take a help of a financial planner, but which I have learnt myself. I have gone deep into it and now I manage myself, but I have got my financial planner. He also does it. So mutual funds. So I have fixed amount कि इतना month में मुझे systemic investment plan for my son करना है. तो mutual funds होता है. Not much in mutual fund, but little bit. The second is stock trading. Again, stock trading जो है, first you can allot it to somebody who is very known, then learn. I have learnt it, but still I am not spending too much time in stock trading. There is one trader who does and who has given me the guarantee without losing his capital, he will give the fixed percentage. He may make more money, he make 30% or 50%, I don't know. I'm not bothered how much profit he makes, but I know that my capital will not be lost and I will get some fix even though it is less. So I am doing that. I am getting a fixed amount. I have invested some capital where I will get 8% every month without losing my capital. He makes 30%, let him make it. I don't want to go. Or there are certain ways कि they say कि whatever the loss and profit they make, it is 70-30. 70% is ours and 30% is theirs. So if they make 50% of profit, then it, but I don't want to take that risk, so that's why I don't go for that. The third is the forex trading. Open a forex account and forex trading, which again I have given a contract only. That's why they are able to give more income. फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग जो होता है ना, बिकॉज दैट इज द फोर्थ इज द डिजिटल करेंसी विच इज अपकमिंग, but I am not just invested little bit, not much, because I really don't know how it will go. So these are the investment income. Then what are the passive income ideas? So where you can generate this income is from the savings you have done. Savings you have done, it will come, it will take at least minimum 6 months to come to your financial habits, and then you can start doing it. Passive income ideas is real estate investment. Then there is a global real estate, where there are distress sell. Even in India also distress sell hota hai कि जैसे देर आर एजेंसीज हु डील्स विद द डिस्ट्रेस सेल. अगर वो बैंक का फ्लैट का कीमत 1 करोड़ है और उसके ऊपर लोन है एंड दैट पर्सन इज नॉट गोइंग टू गो, सो बैंक उसका पोजेशन ले लेती है एंड वो डिस्ट्रेस सेल निकालती है. उसका वैल्यू भरा 1 करोड़ है और उसका पेंडिंग लोन सपोज कुछ 30-40 रहा है. देन बैंक सीज दैट कि कैसे वो 40-50 में ही जाए, डिस्ट्रेस सेल बोलते हैं उसको. वो ऐसे डिस्ट्रेस सेल वाले भी फ्लैट्स रहते हैं which you can take on loan. People take on loan only because we don't have that much capital. So they just take those distressed sell flat और after 6 months they just sell it. उसका वो अलग ही एजेंसी रहता है. Then third जो है which is a royalty income based network marketing, and the fourth is business investment. When you have got capital pending in your financial freedom account over the years, over 1 year 2 year, तो आप बिजनेस इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं. लाइक स्टार्टअप्स रहते हैं, लाइक मोबाइल ऐप डेवलपमेंट हो गया, या कोई मीन्स यूजुअली पैथोलॉजिकल लैब्स, उसमें काफ़ी मीन्स मेडिकल टाइम मीन्स आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन विथ वन रेडियोलॉजिस्ट लाइक दैट, जो जहाँ पे डेली बेस्ड इनकम होता है. देन आई हैव ऑल्सो इन्वेस्टेड इन टू न्यूट्रीजेनोमिक्स लैब, कि लैब में भी डेली होता है ना, बट इट इज़ अ DNA lab. So when you have capital, you become a 10% partner, but that is not just giving money. On papers, as a in their private limited company as a board of director. So you become a business partner. So that if you ask me 5 years back, I was not knowing all these things. What is this? But I have learned in last 5 years investing into the business investment. Then how you can create a multiple sources of income, which we have learned from Bob Proctor, कि जो अपने बेस पे है एंड उसका डुप्लीकेशन होता है. बिकॉज दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड पैसिव इनकम आइडियाज अगेन वी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल, नो. द कंट्रोल इज इन सेबी, RBI, द ग्लोबल कंट्रोल. यू हैव टू टेक रिस्क डिपेंडिंग ऑन यू, बट डेफिनेटली उसका अप्रिसिएशन होता है ओवर, बट यू शुड हैव मिनिमम 3 years ऑफ होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी. हाँ, म्यूचुअल फंड ने कर दिया है एंड देन 1 साल के बाद ही आपको इमरजेंसी चाहिए, देन यू विल नॉट हैव दैट मच एप्रिसिएशन. मिनिमम आपको 3 साल के लिए म्यूचुअल फंड का एप्रिसिएशन मिलने के लिए लगता है, वेर यू विल गेट मोर देन 20%, 15 to 20% रिटर्न. अगर 1 लाख है तो उसका ऑलमोस्ट वैल्यूएशन ज़्यादा होता है. स्टॉक के लिए भी टू स्टार्ट विथ होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी है तो लंबे रखेंगे तो ज़्यादा होता है. एंड अगेन स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग के लिए भी नॉट इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टाइम. लॉन्ग जो है बिजनेसेस, इन दैट यू हैव टू रियली सी कि बफेट का पोर्टफोलियो जिसमें है ना उसमें ही आप डाल सकते हैं, दैट इज़ बेटर. एंड उसका भी पोर्टफोलियो ओपन होता है, देयर आर साइट्स जहाँ पे जाके आप देख सकते हैं. आई डोंट डू ऑल दिस थिंग, आई जस्ट टेकन द ट्रेनिंग, आई जस्ट अलॉटेड एवरीथिंग टू माई फाइनेंशियल प्लानर. Why I have learnt it? Because I should not only depend on my financial planner on his decision. I should do little basic also. So that's what I have learnt. It will not come immediately, but it will come over the period of time when you have stronger goals. Books. So doing of ebooks and just selling those ebooks is also one I have learned now for the last 3 years. Publications. You cannot do all things at a time. First, set up one source of income. Once that is set, then go for a second, then go for a third. But if you really inculcate habit of financial habits, that is 20% of savings, then you'll be able to do it. Then how you can generate income by accessories, products and services affiliated to your job and professions, like medical में multi clinic कर रखना, dentistry के इसमें ही some additional services रखना, cosmetics along with dentistry, something accessories to your main job, business or profession. Maybe for the job people going for consultancy, Then online trainings, which is upcoming now because online is the future. So online trainings जो है, एक बार आपने अपलोड कर दिए trainings और उसको FB ad का contract दे दिया digital marketing को, so you will see कि everyday आपका sale होता है, which I have seen during the lockdown. And fourth is the collaborations. The fourth is collaboration. So this, कहाँ से आवाज आ रहा है? किसका आवाज आ रहा है? You could hear it, ना?
Here.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Okay, in between कुछ आवाज आ रहा था. So this is just in a nutshell. It is a very concentrated topic. You have to really grasp it, and it is very personalized for everyone. Once you know कि क्या करना है and what I can do in my current capacity, and then you can decide accordingly. This is just a outline. Money management is the main thing. Aware of how much income you have, how much expenses you have, and how you can reduce little bit expenses as per your thing, but doing more savings and utilizing those savings in investing. So start one by one. You cannot start all together.
Actually, this is the most important topic for all of us.
Yes.
Today's day is the most important.
हाँ, थोड़ा
Where
सा
we,
today,
yeah, we,
हेवी लगेगा थोड़ा सा, बिकॉज आवर थिंकिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट्स. मुझे भी ऐसा हेवी हो गया था, बाप रे इतना सारा करना है, सो मच टू डू. आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग, बट इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली. फर्स्ट थिंग इज देयर, जस्ट स्टार्ट योर फाइनेंशियल हैबिट्स ऑफ मेकिंग दिस फाइनेंशियल जार्स एट होम. मुझे बनने के लिए भी 2 महीना लगा था.
no, it really lighten up the ourselves only once we understand and we implement it.
Yes,
In just 2-3 years, 5 years,
yes.
it becomes like comfortable life.
Yes, because in 2008 I saw a person, he was doing stock trading. He was telling कि मुझे पोर्टफोलियो इनकम ही है ना मेरा, हर महीने में मुझे शेयर से ही जो डिविडेंड्स बोलो या इनकम है वो ही होना चाहिए 5 से 10 लाख. तो मैं सोचती कैसा पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग. सो दैट्स वॉट वी थिंक it is not possible only because you are ignorant about it, how to do.
Yes, true, very
So,
true.
so as on you go, it was very difficult in 2008, even 2012. But in my financial journey, really, the you can say intelligence and all, it has started after 2012. Means I inculcated it when I started learning and taking interest into that. And being a single person, I have to take it. If I don't take a responsibility, then who will take it? And then if I don't learn it, how I can give that knowledge to my son? So that has given me more responsibility to learn. Otherwise, women, they don't want to learn all these things. They don't want to learn investments. They don't want to go. So it's okay. You are, at least one person has to be good at management. If your spouse is good at management, especially for females, I'm telling, for Dr. Meena or Dr. Juliet, if your husband is good at money management, let him take the charge, managing money, but you see that you are saving money and allocating. You can call, you can delete it. You can,
चलना सर, आपका मेरे आवाज का काफी आ रहा है.
हाँ, किसी का तो आवाज आ रहा है. किसका आ रहा है?
मैम, ये जो मनी इनकम है, ये
हाँ.
अपना खुद का लेना है या हस्बैंड का भी इंक्लूड कर
नहीं,
सकते हैं?
अलग अलग करना है. आपका अलग और उनका अलग करना है.
अलग अलग.
हाँ, अलग करना है.
ओके, बिकॉज घर खर्चे के लिए वो भी पैसे देते हैं, तो उसको आई मीन डू आई
That
इंक्लूड
is
इट इन
your
माय?
understanding, ना? That is your understanding.
करेक्ट. तो वो किसके
हाँ.
इसमें
Usually money matters में ऐसे होता है, when husband wife are doing, usually male person ही सब खर्चा कर देता है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ तो इक्वली है. आई मीन
अच्छा,
इक्वली
तो you can see, means you can just, that is your understanding, ना, कि अगर आपका 1 लाख.
हाँ, पर वो जब मेरा मंथली इनकम आता है, तो डू आई
हाँ.
इंक्लूड हिज मनी आल्सो इन दिस, या उसको सेपरेट करना है? दिस इज सपोजिंग आई एम अर्निंग अ लाख,
हाँ, नहीं,
and he is giving me 30,000 ऊपर से.
हाँ.
So how do I account for that 30,000?
Which?
The 30,000 जो वो देते हैं, वो
हाँ.
कैसे मैं अकाउंट करूं?
then you see that कि 1 लाख में से आप 30,000 कर रहे हैं ना.
नहीं, 1 लाख अगर मेरा इनकम है
हाँ.
and by default he's giving me 30,000 a month.
So
do
you
I
see
take it
that
as
then
my-
you see that 1,30,000 आपका इनकम है, ऐसे कर दो.
हाँ, ऐसा ना, ओके. और वो डेट क्लियरेंस के फॉर्म्स आपको भेजने हैं.
हाँ, वो देती, because I have come back now.
Yeah, what the-
So I will do it now. Because everything is in PC and all that, na treasure is there and I cannot carry PC. Hard
No,
disk,
no problem.
हाँ, I'll do it.
बस कहीं तो स्टार्ट करना है ना, वो क्लियर हो जाएगा फिर मैं ये सब कर सकती
Yes. So to start with, you start a jars because it is a visual and
Absolutely.
experiential thing. You will start feeling good. Oh, I learned, and you start putting one note every day.
तो वो ग्रेटिट्यूड जार जो बोला था आपने,
हाँ.
उसमें सिर्फ एक ग्रेटिट्यूड देना है क्या दिन का?
नहीं. Gratitude jar is different. Gratitude jar is you are just putting one chit, right?
करेक्ट, बट रोज का एक का,
हाँ, रोज का एक.
एवरीडे एक ना.
हाँ, कर दो ना, नहीं तो वीकली कर दो, कैसे भी कर दो. वीकली 7 कर दो, डेली
अच्छा.
कैसे भी. बट you will be amazed when you see ना, and that is a good thing also that we are inculcate habit for our kids also.
करेक्ट.
वो भी देख लेते हैं ना, उनको भी अच्छा लगता है करने के लिए. So for them also you can tell. Means I have personally experienced in the lockdown. Means my son came, no, so I was doing this. He was just grumbling because of the lockdown. When I started doing this and I started showing him, then he started appreciating. Oh, he was in better position in the lockdown. Because if I tell like this, he will not understand. But when he see me doing,
But I mean, jar we can put any amount, huh?
yeah, any amount you can put.
Yeah. I really wanted to know about this Kotak Mahindra account. Huh?
Yeah.
It.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
मैम मेरे पास ना अलग अलग बैंक्स में सेविंग्स अकाउंट्स है, so I can use that only, right?
Yeah.
कोई भी
You can
बैंक,
use
so
that. You
it's
can
like
use that.
diversified.
Ultimately, when you receive amount in one account, for that just keep your 50 to 55%. That will take care of your lifestyle. The rest, no, you just transfer.
You have to move up.
हाँ, so I have
But
my
वो
different
कैसे
savings
decide
account
करूँ
only.
मैं? Because
Savings account. You can decide. Okay, I have got an account in Yes Bank that is only for the investment. So I will transfer.
that I can do.
Yeah.
But supposing in a month उतना नहीं आता है जितना estimation है.
It's okay, no problem. At least you not 10%, you transfer 7%, transfer 5%, but that habit has to
अच्छा.
even
Okay,
1% also it has to go. Don't think I don't have 10%, it's okay, I'll do next month. No.
So ये weekly कर सकते हैं या daily
नहीं,
कर सकते हैं?
डेली क्यों करते हो ना, मंथली कर दो ना.
नहीं, because daily करूंगी तो वो जाएगा नहीं, तो मैं पकड़ के बैठती हूँ ना क्या ऐसा. I mean,
अच्छा,
मेरा
okay.
इतनी
It
गंदी
depends on
आदत
you.
है कि क्या बोलूं.
Ultimately, action is more important. Whether you take daily or monthly, it's up to you. It is just one.
हाँ.
Okay, 50,000 only. I will use it for my lifestyle. Rest 20% will go here. And उसी में से मैं टीवी खरीदेंगी, उसी में से मैं मोबाइल खरीदेंगी, उसी में से मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करूंगी.
उसी वो okay.
You will get to know. And a TWCGO account is there na. So when you are receiving 1 lakh rupees suppose, तो 30% हम पकड़ लेते टैक्स के लिए है. So that is usually for that business people. कि टैक्स 30% डाल दिया तो दे कैन यूज दैट मनी फॉर रोटेशन, बट दे नो ये 30,000 में से मुझे कुछ इंश्योरेंस को देना ही है टैक्स बचाने के लिए, मेडिक्लेम की देना ही है. दे कैन जस्ट कीप दैट 30,000 असाइड फॉर रोटेशन एंड देन पुट दैट इनटू टैक्स सेविंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट. एंड उसमें 30% उनको बिजनेस वालों को थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आता है, उनके ऑपरेशनल कॉस्ट के लिए उनको 30% कैपिटल रखना पड़ता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई टैक्स वेल्थ मीन्स यूर सेविंग्स, C means charity, G means general, that is your lifestyle, and O means your operational cost. 30% usually operational cost होता है बिजनेसमैन लोग, उनको इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है ना उनके बिजनेस में, या स्टॉक रखना पड़ता है.
Sorry to you, Rata.
So that is not TWCGO account is only for the people who are into businesses and they have got lot of inventory, stocks and all that. But generalize मैंने ये दिया है. These are the 5 accounts. आप इट इज लाइक अ बजटिंग ना. यू नो कि मुझे कितना स्पेंड करना है. व्हेन यू नो कि मुझे 10,000 ही स्पेंड करना है मेरे ऊपर अननेसरी खरीदने के लिए, तो यू विल नॉट एंड अप बाइंग 20-25,000 अननेसरी थिंग्स. एंड यू नो मुझे ये इसमें से ये लेना है. सो आई
What is G?
जी इज जनरल, जनरल मीन्स
Okay.
आपका जनरल। ये बिजनेस के लिए है यूजुअली TWCGO कि किसमें क्या करना है, तो
जी।
उनके बहुत आप देखो ऑलवेज
बहुत।
एक्सपेंसेस बहुत कम होते हैं एंड लॉट ऑफ गुजरातीज एंड मीन्स बिजनेस पीपल जो होते हैं दे एंड अप पुटिंग मनी बैक इनटू बिजनेस, दैट्स व्हाई दे डोंट बाय हाउस फॉर।
आप ये अगर मैं 2012 में कोर्स किया होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता।
ऐसे सबको लगता है बट इट इज नेवर टू लेट, you can start
Yeah.
your day right now. That is not a problem.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I feel so great. I'm young and actually I am learning this all kind of stuff at very young age. Huh?
Yes, very good. Now, even if we are old, no problem. We are
No.
younger than Manoj ji, मैं थोड़ा मिश्रा जी, Channa also in between. सब में no problem. You can start. Even people have started at the age of 50, 60 and they have become. No problem.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.
And that's the
Thank you so
reason I
much.
have given you that if you think कि how you will get 1 million per month, you know that कि 1 million मेरे पास आ गया suppose, तो उसमें से मुझे क्या करना है, इतना चैरिटी करना है, so you will come up with charitable ideas. Then you know कि इतना ही मुझे एक्सपेंड, then you will think कि 1 मिलियन में से 50% ही मुझे करना है, तो मैं लाइफस्टाइल कैसे लाइफस्टाइल के लिए इतना ही करूँगी, अननेसरी में ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगी. देन 20% इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट से क्या होगा, आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट से आपका पैसा आ जाएगा. सो यू क्रिएट योर रेंटल इनकम, यू क्रिएट योर पोर्टफोलियो इनकम, स्लोली बढ़ते जाता है.
मैडम आई हैव डाउट, मेरा
हाँ,
क्या हुआ 40% मेरा SIP में जा रहा है मैडम ऑलरेडी, अराउंड
अच्छा.
20,000 rupees from the last 2 years I'm investing.
Okay.
But rest, how shall we distribute to some other things are like
Yes, definitely, because अभी म्यूचुअल फंड्स का ये कम है. Really means you have to need to see that you can stop this SIPs right now.
Okay.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर वो उसका वैल्यूएशन नहीं बढ़ रहा है तो यू कैन स्टॉप एनी टाइम, दैट प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, तो मैं बाद में उसकी डिटेल में बात करती हूँ, फिर मैं गाइड कर सकती हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट आई हैव डन नाउ, कि उसकी एप्रिसिएशन जब कम हो जाती है तो स्पेंड करो, स्टॉप करो, एंड देन जस्ट कीप इन पार्किंग, मे बी यू कैन होल्ड,
Sorry.
वो दैट यू विल लर्न विद द एक्सपीरियंस. म्यूचुअल फंड में पूरा नहीं डालना चाहिए, स्प्रेड करना चाहिए.
तो ये स्प्रेड
you are able to save 20-40,000, उसमें से मे बी 50% ही म्यूचुअल फंड में डालो, फिर बाकी आप स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग में किसी के साथ ऐसा कर सकते कि मैं इतना पर महीना देता हूँ एंड मुझे आप फिक्स रिटर्न दे दो, फिक्स रिटर्न पे जाओ इनिशियली.
वैसा
Yes.
हाँ,
मैडम वही मैडम वैसा करके मेरा क्या हुआ लॉकडाउन में
हाँ.
मेरा 5 लाख से चिट 5 लाख सेविंग्स है मैडम 5 साल करके. एक
अच्छा.
आदमी के ऊपर वो अच्छा इन्वेस्टर, अच्छा फंड मैनेजर ही था.
अरे
मैं क्या
बाप रे.
सोचा उसको 5 लाख रुपया दिया मैडम.
हाँ,
वो क्या बोला, वो सेम आप बोला ना 70-30
हाँ.
30% प्रॉफिट मेरे को
हाँ.
दिएगा, 30 के ऊपर जो आएगा वो लिएगा तो बोला मैडम.
हाँ,
खाली 3 months he has paid me madam. He
हाँ.
has zero right now. He has make it as a zero.
बाप रे.
What to do? 5 lakh rupees madam. To save that 5 lakh rupees I taken for 4 years. I
बाप रे.
paid on Margadarshi
Yeah,
chit.
yeah.
I paid my chit fund company then madam. Every month I was
पेइंग. श्रीराम चिट है क्या, श्रीराम चिट है क्या, गोकुलम है?
नहीं मैडम मार्गदर्शी, इट्स ईनाडो ग्रुप ऑफ टीवी.
अच्छा,
ETV है ना, ETV वो बड़े कंपनी है मैडम, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
ओके.
उसको मैं क्या किया 4 साल होने के बाद में, हाँ एवरी मंथ सेविंग किया था. 4 साल होने के बाद में मैं 5 लाख का वो चिट लिफ्ट करके, मेरा लॉकडाउन में मेरा जॉब थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. एटलीस्ट 15-17,000 रुपया रेंट हाउस मेंटेनेंस कर सकता है क्या, तो बोल के वो चिट लेके मैं उनके हाथ में पैसा दिया है.
ओके.
वो 5 लाख रुपए गया मैडम मेरा.
ओके. ठीक है, चलो मैं बात करती हूँ उसके बारे में, क्या कर सकते हैं ना. ओके, चलो बाय देन. टुमारो विल मीट
Thank
एट
you.
6:45 and next 3 days we'll do affirmations.
Yes.
And I will only do it and I will record it then. है ना. ओके,
ठीक है मैम।
शुभ धनतेरस टू ऑल।
बाय।
आज है धनतेरस?
हाँ आज है।
नहीं कल है।
नहीं, कल है। आज
कल है?
वसुबारस है,
कल है।
वसुबारस है।
मैम वो
अच्छा।
ये कब करना है, वो पोटली बना के कब रखना है, सैटरडे को या कल?
हाँ, सैटरडे को, सैटरडे या संडे कर सकते हैं। वी डू इट इन अ लक्ष्मी, पीपल डू इट इन पाडवा, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर ट्रेडिशन। लक्ष्मी पूजा, सो आई एम डूइंग ऑन सैटरडे।
तो मैं कभी भी कर सकती हूँ ना?
हाँ,
मेरा
सैटरडे
तो-
कर सकते हैं। हाँ, चलेगा।